Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by connecting Tableau to your source and immediately inspect field types so analysis will be correct. Once connected, make a sample extract to speed performance and rename confusing headers for clarity. You should standardize date formats and convert text numbers into numeric types. This prevents bad aggregations later. Make simple filters to exclude irrelevant rows and create a small preparatory worksheet to validate the data before you build visuals. You now model the data, set relationships or join tables, and check cardinality so aggregation stays accurate. Next, create calculated fields and level of detail expressions to handle percent shares or fixed denominators. This is where you control the why behind numbers. Add parameters to toggle scenarios and craft individual sheets with appropriate chart types. Make sure marks, colors, and tooltips convey the story. Once done, save consistently named sheets for easy dashboard assembly. You assemble the dashboard by placing sheets into tiled or floating containers, and then create dashboard actions for interactivity, filter, highlight, or URL actions. Make sure to test on desktop and phone using device preview, and optimize by reducing heavy marks and using extracts. Once satisfied, publish to Tableau server or public, set refresh schedules and permissions, and notify stakeholders. Troubleshooting tip: if filters or calculations behave oddly, check data grain and duplicates first. Mismatched joins are the usual cause.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.